Welcome to this video on alcohol poisoning, a critical topic in forensic science. We will cover both acute and chronic alcohol poisoning, including signs, symptoms, and treatment. We will also discuss post-mortem findings and related effects, like the Mellanby effect and holiday heart syndrome. Acute alcohol intoxication, or alcohol poisoning, is a serious condition resulting from drinking too much alcohol quickly. It affects vital functions like body temperature, breathing, heart rate, and the gag reflex. It can lead to coma or death. The first stage of acute poisoning is excitation, with blood alcohol levels between 50 and 150 milligrams percent. Symptoms include euphoria, increased confidence, impaired judgment, and a lack of self-control. Nystagmus, or involuntary eye movement, may also be present. The second stage is incoordination, with blood levels from 150 to 250 milligrams percent. The individual may be irritable, cheerful, or sleepy. Physical symptoms include nausea, vomiting, a flushed face, rapid pulse, and diminished senses. Pupils are often dilated, and breath smells of alcohol. The final stage is coma, occurring above 250 milligrams percent. Symptoms include thick, slurred speech, severely affected coordination, rapid pulse, and hypothermia. Pupils are contracted but dilate slowly upon stimulation. The fatal dose is typically 300 to 400 milligrams percent, with death occurring within 12 to 24 hours. The Mellanby effect describes how an individual appears less influenced by alcohol when their blood alcohol concentration is decreasing compared to when it is increasing, even at the same concentration. Treatment for alcohol poisoning includes keeping the individual awake and sitting up. If unconscious, place them in the recovery position and check their breathing. Do not give them coffee, as caffeine worsens dehydration. Alkaline gastric lavage may be administered within 2 hours of ingestion. Holiday heart syndrome is a cardiac rhythm disturbance, often supraventricular tachycardia or atrial fibrillation, caused by binge drinking. It is commonly observed around weekends and holidays. Chronic alcohol poisoning occurs when a certain amount of alcohol is consumed over a very long period, leading to cumulative and long-term effects on the body and mind. Signs of chronic poisoning include physical deterioration, such as poor hygiene, chronic gastroenteritis, and fatty changes in the liver and heart. Mental symptoms include memory loss and dementia, and moral changes involve suspicious behavior. Post-mortem findings in alcohol poisoning cases include the odor of alcohol, prolonged rigor mortis, fluid in dark blood, and congested viscera that smells like alcohol. Acute inflammation of the stomach with mucus coating is also observed. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content.